Hi everyone, welcome back to the Red Blossom Tea channel. Today I have my guest and assistant. What's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew's my little guy. He's 6 years old. Wait, are you 6 or 7?
6.
You're almost 7.
Almost 7.
So today we're going to make ice cream. Matthew has a little break from school, so since it's pretty warm during the summer this week, we will make some ice cream. But today we're making some Persimmon Blossom ice cream. So we've taken some Persimmon Blossom tea and simmered it in milk, and we use that milk to make ice cream. So we've used the New York Times recipe. They usually recommend using another ingredient as the base. So we use tea as a base instead of some fruits or flavors. So I made the ice cream base and placed it in the refrigerator overnight. And then we placed it in this blender, whip it up a little bit to incorporate some air since we have a home use ice cream. So then we placed the ice cream into the ice cream maker and it went on for about 25 minutes and now it's ready, right?
Yes.
Okay, you want to try it? Okay, let's see. Let me scoop some out. Oh, you want a big scoop or a small scoop?
Big.
Okay, and then we also have some dry persimmons here from Mommy's friend, Claire in New York. So her grandmother grew the persimmons, hand massaged them, they dry, and then we kept it in the freezer for a special occasion like today, so we can enjoy the persimmon with our Persimmon Blossom ice cream. We'll top it up with some persimmons here. Okay. You want to try it? Then you can have a sip of the persimmon tea as well. Could I try it too with you?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. It's so good. Isn't it good?
It's outstanding.
Is it good? That's really nice. You can keep eating it. But I also made some popsicles as well. So we've taken some hibiscus tea. So these are hibiscus flowers. We made it into tea, added a little bit of cane sugar. So it looks like this. And then we did this yesterday and then place it in one of these. But I've added some of our finger limes that we grow at home. So the finger limes look like this. And we cut it in the middle, and when you squeeze out the lime, squeeze from the end, it comes out like this, and they're often called caviar limes. So we place some into our hibiscus tea, and then poured it into here. So when you're making these, whoa, look at that! That's this lime with the tea that we made yesterday. And then let me put some more of the caviar lime on. Yeah, so that we get this pop of tartness. Okay, you want to try it, or can mommy try it?
You try it.
Okay, it looks so good. The lime pops in your mouth. Here, try it. Today we're pairing the Persimmon Blossom tea with ice cream, but you could also use other oolongs to make the ice cream base. So I've also tried the Honey Orchid Phoenix Oolong that has a natural lychee and floral finish. As long as you take the tea, simmer it in milk at a low temperature for 15-20 minutes, and then let that cool before storing it in the refrigerator. Then overnight, the tea leaves will release its flavor. So then we would strain it through and use that as the base for the ice cream. So if you want to have some of these recipes, feel free to visit our website and of course take a look at our blog.
Yummy.
Drink your tea,
2.
Matthew.
Why?
If you enjoy this ice cream, sorry.
It's because you're like, drink your tea. I was like, why?
Okay, you don't say anything.
Oh, come on.
Come on.